So this next clip that we got is Saratov oil refinery, and it was hit by a drone on the 20th of September, and this guy is filming on his cell phone, and you can clearly see the drone as it dives in, and it's a pretty loud explosion. You see it.
It's a big
Boom.
explosion.
Yep. If you got no gas, you got a problem. No gas means the tanks don't run, means their generators don't work, it means they got no comms, no comms, no bombs. And we got the next one. This is a daytime one. So this is says Russia could lose 600 million in just 1 month after Ukrainian drones struck Gazprom Neftekhim Salvat. With its largest crude unit offline, the refinery risks forfeiting 9 to 10 million barrels of processing capacity, and a single strike echoing, because if you hit it in key points, you basically take the whole thing offline. So it's I don't know what they hit, but the equipment that they're hitting and taking out is not easy to replace, and it has long lead times. And so I think they got 36 different refineries and facilities throughout Russia, and they hit 16 or 18 in the past several weeks. So I mean that's the main thing is that Ukraine is really going after their oil and their gas infrastructure because what you're seeing is you're seeing long lines form in certain areas where they're just not getting enough gas because refineries are offline. Then on top of that, Russia is put a moratorium on exportation of those refined products through the end of the year because now they're heading into winter and the Russian winter is pretty cold and so it's going to create a lot of problems because if the citizens can't get gas, they're going to be really pissed, and then they'll be feeling the actual consequences of the war, and they're not going to be happy about that. And so this was a neat little video. This is a M77 777, which is one of our top of the line mobile artillery pieces, but this is actually a decoy. It even puffs smoke out, so when their drones are flying over, they see it. They'll send their drone to blow up this decoy, thinking that they took out artillery. So it's a lot of deception going on in war, and so you can kind of see a little puff of smoke come out the barrel. But it's all fake. It's meant to deceive the Russians. See a little smoke coming out there at the end of the barrel. So a drone flying over that sees that, thinks, "Oh wow, that gun just fired. Let's blow it up," and it's a decoy. It causes them to waste an expensive drone and keep them guessing where the real ones are. So this is neat, pretty neat. This is Ukrainian, basically unmanned sea vehicle that has a bomb. I had a longer video that kind of shows it going through the barriers into the little port, and what it's going to do, it's going to drive right into the pipeline infrastructure that feeds the ships when they come to either receive natural gas or oil or refined gasoline, whatever products that they're buying. So this is all like an unmanned drone. You'll see, and you'll hear some, gunfire. Boom. That'll create some problems.
Small little boat, too.
Yeah, it's pretty neat the innovations that they've done.